guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's video is we're going to unboxing my new accessories of my scooter. So today's video is we're going to unbox this. So let's go and we'll open this kind of accessories. So this is the monorim. So we will open. So this is my new accessories. So you will see. So monorim. So let's open. So this is it, guys. So this is it. So this is my new accessories of my scooter. As you can see, this is a monorim motor hub. So I will put this kind of hub from my motor of the scooter, so I will change this kind of motor to the back of my scooter. So I will change this kind of monorim hub to the motor. So only this, and also there are also rubber and the bolts, and also the bolts, there are also bolts here, and they're here. Like this. So they have 4 bolts. So this is it, guys. So only that. So only here. So all of pieces I will put to my scooter. So they have also bearing, and then this plate is 6 hole, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 holes. So maybe on my next video I will put this kind of motor hub to the motor, and then after I will change that to the back. So that's it, guys. So thank you for watching this kind of video. So only for today's video is only for unboxing. So only I can see this kind of motor hub, so, and then also the bolts, and then the rubber. So we will put the rubber here, and then also the bolts from here. So this is it, guys. So if you want to buy this kind of monorim hub, so I will put the description below, so you can check there. So if you want to buy that, so only click the link. So this is it, guys. So thank you very much. So thank you very much for watching this kind of unboxing. So for the next video is we will put this kind of monorim hub to my motor. So this is it, guys. So thank you very much. So see you to my next vlog.